Hi, my name is Frank Valenti, Director and Buyers and Vendors Advocate at Advantage Property Consulting with our Advantage monthly market update. Well, it's been a very frustrating time for real estate agents. The real estate business has been really shut down since inspections were cancelled, and now we're absolutely excited because inspections are back by private appointment and we're able to reopen again and hopefully help our clients buy property and sell properties. So it will be a much slower spring though. We're not going to see anywhere near the volume of properties that we usually see in spring, where we're seeing Super Saturdays, over 1,000 auctions on most weekends. So we would expect the listing numbers to be well down. They're down about at least 50% from previous years, and I would expect there to be a bit more stock coming up, which is good news for buyers, but nowhere near the amount of properties that we would see in the normal spring marketplace. Obviously auctions are still not allowed, so everything will be expression of interest or otherwise virtual online Zoom auctions, where we've seen some results in the last few weeks, but there's only been less than probably 20 auctions being run at the moment because most vendors are looking at expressions of interest or private sale campaigns. Well, one of the big factors I think that will affect our Melbourne property market is the lower immigration numbers because of COVID and the restrictions there. Overall, Australia has about 240,000 people coming here every year through immigration. Those numbers are set to drop by about 100,000 in the next couple of years, and I think that will see an impact on the overall economy, but also have an impact on our Melbourne housing market, particularly the eastern suburbs and areas where you've got some of the foreign students around Carlton and in the CBD. So I think there'll be a big decrease in demand and obviously rental demand for those areas. The rental market has taken a massive hit. We've had the highest vacancy rate in Melbourne for as long as I can remember. We're up to 4.4% now. That's nearly 100% increase from 12 months ago. So it was around 2.2 only 12 months ago. So it's been a massive difference, and some landlords are now finding their properties vacant for up to 12 to 15 weeks in areas like Southbank and Melbourne CBD. So be careful of buying apartments in those areas which have an oversupply of rental properties. Well, we can't say that of villa units because there's such a strong demand for them, and they continue to be the flavour of the month for our clients. And we've got some fantastic vendor advocacy results in Purinian Road in Reservoir, where a client of ours sold for $629,000 to a first home buyer. We purchased that through our group blocks purchases for only $409,000 last year. We also had a good result in Chelsea Road, where a villa unit sold for $555,000. We saw an investor buy that, so hopefully investors are back. And then a great result in Maidstone, where a villa unit we purchased last year through our group blocks purchase for $435,000 sold for $648,000. So the demand is very, very solid. Mainly first home buyers and downsizers fighting it out for those villa units, so they continue to be gold for our clients. Please don't hesitate to get on our website, check out information about our buyers advocate, sellers advocate, property management, and our group block purchases, as well as subscribe to our free weekly and monthly market updates. We look forward to seeing you next time.